Alright guys, so check this out. This is a little toy. It's my toy. Watch this, watch this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see it. Yeah, you can. You can see it there. I don't want to burn through my stuff. Where's it at? Where's it at? I can't see it. There it is. Definitely be blasting, huh? Get that thing a little closer. Maybe. Woo! Yeah, I don't have enough current to drive it yet, but I got a cleaver, so I cleaved it. That's a bunch of fiber, man. But yeah, do it one more time. I was curious if this camera could see that. It should be 470 or 464. I mean, sorry, it is 964 nanometer, 964 nanometer. Now we're at threshold. Powering up, powering down. Pretty cool, huh? It's 27 watt, 964, I'm pretty sure. Yes, 964 nanometer. And this was like 40 bucks. Little cutter. Works good. It cut that right off. Perfect. Anyway, yeah, I couldn't see any of that because I was testing my new goggles out there, the IR ones. So it's obviously a necessity for that because that'll still hurt you, man. Yep. It goes up to like 11 amps, almost 12 amps, and only got 5. I was only throwing 2 or 3 at it right there, about 2.5. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna have Zach make me a lens for it, and then we'll go from there. I'll leave that fiber long for now. I don't think I need that much, but yeah, it's definitely fun. I need to mark those pinouts because I had to discover that they don't have couldn't find a data sheet. Anyway, peace.